Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali. I'm watching CGHOW. I'm not making any tutorial today, but I want to ask you something and I want a good advice from you guys, really. Please comment on this video, and if there will be more comment on a similar advice, I will definitely do that, whatever it is. So basically, as you know, on a CGHOW channel, I have more than 2000 videos, and I started this channel. This is old channel, but I started making videos for Unreal Engine tutorials back in 2018, 5 years ago. And almost daily I make a video tutorial for you guys. I learn things, then I teach you, I share my knowledge. I really work hard because I'm already working, as you know. Recently I worked in Mortal Kombat. So after doing 8-9 hours of job, I do these tutorials, sacrificing my family time and doing all this for the VFX community. But initially, what I think I made a mistake. I don't know. I didn't realize that I was making a mistake. When I started this channel, I used some references from internet and I used to recreate those effects and for you guys so you can learn how to create those things. And the big mistake I made is I didn't ask the other artist, to use their videos or their photos of FX to use that as a reference. I should have asked them. I think I made that mistake. But what I did instead, let's say I created this video. This is 1 year ago. And I
Ali
created this
and you are
FX.
watching CGHOW video.
And
Today I
here when I'm starting this tutorial,
creation
what I'm doing,
and this is the reference we will
I'm
follow.
showing the
I found
reference.
it on
You can see the artist name. I have mentioned that reference link here. This is what I was doing. I was showing in the video, I was giving the reference in here. So you can just click and go to the profile of that guy who created originally. I'm giving all the credit to him. Okay. It's like in this next video. I
Hi
have this
guys, I'm
effect.
Asif
And here before, oops, need to
video and
pause
today
here.
I have
Before starting this tutorial, I'm definitely showing the
the first
reference.
subscribe. So I'll the two colors waves
Let me just, yeah.
the
So I am
effects
showing the reference
animation.
and I have a reference link and also name. So this is what I was doing, and I didn't realize that I should have asked them, but I don't think that is that much of big mistake. It's like a crime for me because I'm sacrificing lots of things for that reason. 1 year ago, more than 1 year ago, I lost my realtimevfx.com account because of this thing. Not about this video, but other videos that I was using references without asking the owner. And recently, yesterday, I received a copyright issue on one of my old tutorial that was like 1 years ago I created. And the same issue, I used the reference without asking them. Owner didn't like. So I don't think what I should do now, because from the last 1 year when they blocked my real-time VFX account because I was using references without asking to the owner, I swear to not use any references. And from that day, if you'll see all my latest video from like 1 year, I never used any reference. All these things just created by me originally. Okay, so not using any reference. So now if I'm getting copyright issues or any these type of issues on my old videos, so what should I do now? Because it's really not good for me for this channel. Because I really do hard work on this channel, as you know. So should I delete all those videos? Those will be like around 200 videos with the reference, or maybe 100. I don't remember exactly. I have to check. So if I delete all those videos, you all guys learning from those videos, what should I do? Just suggest me because I'm totally confused. If I'm getting copyright on my old videos, I don't know what to do now. I have given all the reference links in videos in the description. Now what I should do? I'm not taking any reference in my new videos because I'm really afraid using them. Okay, so please comment and suggest me a good advice. What should I do? If you say I should delete all those videos, I will do that because I want to save my account, my YouTube channel, for myself, for you guys also, and I just want to make original videos on this channel. So that's it. Not making tutorial because not feeling good these days. So just suggest me this thing. So maybe after the change, I will do something new on this channel. Thank you. Bye.